Guys, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple boat, so that if you want to put fried rice in it, teriyaki chicken, you can just fill it with other fruits. Okay, so what we'll need, just need a cutting board, a ripe pineapple. This pineapple's been on my counter for 4 days. I think this is about as ripe as it's gonna get. It's kind of, normally you can smell the bottom. If you can smell the pineapple, it's ripened. If you can easily pull out these, these little, I don't know what you call these things. Pull these out. I don't like those on my pineapple boats. I even wipe it down with a damp cloth, rinse it off. You'll need a chef's knife, a paring knife, and a spoon. Okay, so what I do, I start in the center. I want two different boats. So just start in the center with a sharp knife, cut down. And I want to keep the crown. Okay, it's a beautiful crown. So we have two halves. Okay, like that. Make sure that your knife is sharp. This is my favorite knife. If you ever watch my videos, I always have my little blue knife here. Okay, then I'll go on and trim. I'll trim down. Trim it down like that. This crown, it was getting some ugly leaves browning on it, so we're gonna cut those off. Okay, so just have a nice, two nice halves. They're perfectly half. Okay, then I pick off all the little stuff at the bottom here. These little, I don't know, pick that off, okay? So now, to hollow out our boat here, I'll go for the core. Let's see if I can get this core out. Okay, and then just start cutting out, making a bowl. Make sure that your paring knife is sharp. And leave a margin there or a border, because you don't want, you need a little frame there, okay? I don't wear my gloves because people say it's annoying hearing all that rustling. And I just colored my hair and it stained my finger. Okay, don't cut all the way through because we're making a bowl. You take your spoon and we're gonna get a bowl. I forgot to tell you guys to get a bowl so you can put the pineapple in. Just be patient, just take one at a time. soon as you get the first one out, the other ones usually come out. Let me taste it right now, because I didn't think this pineapple was going to get too ripe. And I got this pineapple in my Aldi haul, where I only spent like $18 for groceries for the week. And we can have a gourmet meal. Okay. I haven't done this in a while. I used to do these all the time when I was catering. I used to whip through these things. That's the core. And of course, you're going to save all of this. And then just clean it up. Nice and neat. Spoon out all the pineapple that's in this area. I like to leave about this much of a border. That's about a 1/2 inch. Okay, and that's how, let me see, I can even make it a little neater. It's fine, it's going to be covered up full of food and use these, put fruit in there, put your rice in here, put a whole entree in here. So these are gorgeous. And this is just 1/2 of the pineapple. Keep all that juice because you might need it in your recipe. Okay, so guys, that's how. Let me clean up after myself. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this other half. Okay, guys, so that's how you make a pineapple boat. And I want to thank you for tuning in today. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. Join the Tastemakers tribe. And if you like this video, hit the like button and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Okay, well, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. And bye, Mom.